Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. This is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Today I'm going to show you how to use deferrals in Business Central. So let's get right into it. First you come up here and you're going to search for deferrals. So we're going to create a template here that we are going to use in our example for today. So you can go ahead and click on new. The deferral code, let's say I'm going to create a template for 3 months. So I'm going to write 3 months. In the description, I'm going to write the same so that it's easy for me to understand. Then the deferral account, well, I want to use an account which is mostly about insurance, for instance, because this amount you pay on a fixed period and it is a fixed amount. So this will be a great one to do an example for today. So I'm going to write insurance and I'm going to select the first one. And then the deferral percentage right now, I'm going to leave it at 100 because I want it to defer the entire amount in that account. Now you can choose to change it and put it to 50, 60, 70 or any other percentage based on how much you want the amount to be deferred. Then when it comes to the calculation method, we've got different options here that you can choose. I'm going to keep it at straight line for today because this is the one that I'm going to use for this type of account. Then the start date, always make sure to check this one out because it can be very tricky. I'm going to select the beginning of next period because usually when it comes to insurance, you pay it 1 month in advance. So it just makes sense that I'm going to select the beginning of next period here. Then the number of periods, I'm just going to write 3 because I'm doing the 3 months. But again, this is very optional when it comes to your company because your company might be creating one for 12 months, might be creating one for different quarters. So it really depends on how you calculate your different period. And then in the period description, you will see this is a text base, so you don't really have options here. So what you can do 1 month just to indicate that this is updated every month. So once you've added all of this information here, you've already created your new deferral template in Business Central. You can leave and here we got it. Now I want to link this template into a GL account. So let's go ahead into finance, click on the chart of accounts. And I'm going to link into the same insurance account that I've created it for. So I'm going to type it insurance here and I'm going to select the first one. And if you scroll down to the posting, you will see how we've got the default deferral template. Right now it is set at 10 months, but I want to do the 3 months format. So I'm going to change it here. And here you have it. It has already been changed. But I want to go one step further and I want to now create a purchase invoice to test how this deferral is going to work in Business Central. Now I can choose to create the purchase invoice right here, very easy for me to access. Again, the options that you see here depends on the role that you occupy within the system. I did a whole other video on roles and how to personalize Business Central. The link will be in the description below, so don't forget to watch that video. Let's go ahead and create a purchase invoice. So you're going to first select your vendor. I'm just going to select one here, any one of them. Then I'm going to create my vendor invoice number. Once I've done that, always now make sure that I check all of the dates here. So right now it's set for the future, but my deferral template that I created is for 3 months. So I just want to make sure that I just want to make sure that it's going to be taken into account for this year. So I'm going to do 31/12/2025 and the posting date as well will be 31/12/2025 and the document date will be the same. Just going to keep it simple so that everything works out perfectly in the system. You will be able to then add the details in the lines here. So we're going to change the item for a GL account. Then we are going to put the number here. So remember, we are doing the insurance. So I'm going to select the insurance. Then I'm going to put in the quantity, and then you can put in the direct costs. So right now I've just put, obviously this is a small number because we are just doing this for testing. But so you will see I've added the 200 here for the direct unit costs. Now, how do I then now go about to understand the deferral that will be happening with this amount, with this account in the next 3 months? So what you can do is you can click on Home. Under the post, you can click on Preview Posting, and what this will do, it will show you the deferral that it will do. So right now, as you can see for this GL account, it has created 10 entries. And if you click on it, it will show you the different entries that it has created. So you can also choose to set different dimension filter or add other dimension to work with this specific account. So this is what I wanted to show you. This is a free invoice that has been created. And if you scroll to the right, it will show you how much it will be deducting in the coming months. So here you have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this very quick video about deferrals and how to use them in Business Central. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.